Hi, I'm Tania Jimenez, Part 3. All university studying a short do part-time job while they are studying. The advantage is that the studying their skill, autonomy, greater knowledge is obtained, good result. The studying is getting closer to his goal and is to be and is to be a great um, professional. Okay, the disadvantage is that um, many students are exhausted, tired, and stressed since the advance several commitments, both work and family. Also many times there are difficult to deliver collaboration work. In my opinion is that the university must reduce some requirements in terms of various recommendations required by the world guide. Uh, for example, many students to not have the time to have the active participation in the forum and for that reason they lost point um, in the activity to be delivered.